If you are in self improvement, I want to share something important with you. When I was in high school, I used to play video games and eat junk food all the time. I was like a skinny teenager guy who is driven by pleasure all the time. I was not aware of the responsibilities I am about to have in my future for my tribe. Maybe you are in the same situation right now. That's why you are watching this video. So many young men needs the mindset to focus on their goal and be more masculine. In this video I'm gonna share with you 5 simple steps that will help you to grow faster in your self-improvement journey. Number 1. Build an muscular and aesthetic body. Now you may be wondering why everyone is talking about building an aesthetic body. How does it help me to become successful? Now let's first understand what an aesthetic body is. Aesthetic body is like a V-shaped body where your shoulders are wider than your waist. It's like an inverted triangle which women are most attracted to. The process of building an aesthetic body will make you more disciplined and also will help you in various aspects of your life. If you want to build an aesthetic body, click and watch this video right now. Number 2. Don't waste your time. So many young men today waste their time by watching useless reels on Instagram and social media, which doesn't give anything in return to them. You have to be more busy doing productive things. Youngsters nowadays and even old age men are consuming useless content without even thinking consciously. Now the right question is how to control it. You must understand that your hands are controlled by your brain. Every little action you take is controlled by your own brain, which nobody can control but only you can. Next time whenever you found yourself watching some useless content, just pause and ask yourself why you are watching this. Is there anything you can do right now that can make your future brighter? Is there anything you can do right now that can give you more returns in the future? If the answer is yes, then cut that thing off right now. Just totally eliminate that thing from your life. There are unlimited things to do right now that can give you better returns in the future. No matter what you do, your mind has unlimited potential to generate new ideas and better ideas. The simple actionable steps that I want you to take you right now is to think about a goal that you want to achieve in the next few days or weeks. That can be in your business or anything in your career. If you have any goal, literally just pause this video and do that thing. That can be in your business or your client work or anything. Number 3. Organize things in your space. This is the skill that I have learned years ago that helped me clear my mind and do multiple tasks. When you organize your physical space, your workplace, your room, or wherever you spend your most time, that represents your mental space. If you want to clear your mental space, the best thing you can do right now is to clear your workplace. Remove all the useless things and declutter your space. Keep things clear and organized. Believe me, it will instantly make you mentally clear. The first thing that I do when I wake up is make my bed and get to work. I just do something small task when I wake up. It makes me more clear and I just start my day with a win. I've organized the tasks in my mind that I have to do and I just start doing them one by one. You don't need to be stressed when you are bombarded with multiple tasks. Just take a deep breath and start doing them one by one. Of course, there's going to be more stress, but a true potential of a man comes out with his ability to handle stress. The more you can handle stress, the more you will make money. Number 4. Read more. Reading is a skill that will help you improve your imagination. Personally, I used to read self-improvement books and marketing books that help me in my career. You can pick old school books that are related to your industry. There is no point in reading spiritual books if your goal is to sell products or anything on e-commerce website. That may help you some point in life, but I think if your goal is to sell products and do something better in marketing and sales, you probably should read something related to that industry. There are so many marketing geniuses books that's gonna help you do better in your sales and marketing. The more you read about that stuff, the more you're gonna think about that, and your brain is gonna end up generating new and constructive ideas for your goal. Number 5. Practice social skills. So many young men today believe that if you are in self-improvement, you have to be in your home and doing work, not going outside and talk to your friends. But that's not true. You don't have to be like antisocial weirdo who doesn't talk to anyone and be inside the home every time, go to the gym and back to the place, ignoring everyone. This will keep you unhappy in life. We are humans and we tend to communicate. So many successful men suffered while getting into relationship and talking to women because they don't have any social skills. Now that doesn't mean you have to indulge in useless conversation with your friends and going to parties. You have to practice social skills in your real life while going through your normal day or your work. Whenever you go out, like in the gym or in the coffee shop, just make eye contact with people. Even saying hi to people in the gym or saying hello to a girl you like is a progress. If you are at a level who doesn't talk to people and afraid to talking to girls, I have an actionable step for you. Just go out and talk to two strangers in the next 24 hours. This can be a girl you like or people in the gym. If you do 2 approaches daily, like do the math, that's 770. 770 people will know you. Don't worry, you don't have to make all of them your friends or marry all of them. If you practice social skills with this mindset, this will not only help you in creating deep relationship, but also will help you in various aspects of your life, like in sales, business, or creating a huge network. Alright, if you like this video, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement videos that will make your life better.
Coming in, flex. I just wanna win, LABB, who we running with, 2, 2, 3, 3. I'm on 10 again.